Hey, what's up you guys? So today's video is going to be a quick one. It is going to be unboxing the August 2018 Boxycharm. Now I did subscribe to Boxycharm starting April, and I had done one unboxing video here on my YouTube channel. And then the rest of the past few months, I've just been unboxing it on Instagram stories. But since I've gotten quite a few DMs on people wanting to know my thoughts, thank you. I figured I would do the August one. If you guys like watching Boxycharm unboxings, let me know and I'll try to do them every month. This box did come a little bit earlier than I'm used to, so that was a plus. But I will say, just after playing around with a couple of the products, not my favorite month. And I will let you guys know why further along in the video. Now, Boxycharm, if you're not familiar, costs $21 a month, and you get 4 to 5 full-size or deluxe sample size products. And the value of it is that you do get full-size products, and oftentimes the brands are either indie brands or new brands that are fun to discover, or they're a little bit more of the mainstream brands, and they give you a full-size product that typically costs a little bit more than the box itself. The box average dollar value is between like $100 to $120 or something like that. So normally it's a good bang for your buck. This month was a little lackluster, and let's just jump right in and let me show you why. Included in this month's Boxycharm are 3 individual packets of Wander Beauty's Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. I'm sure you've probably seen these on Instagram. They're gold under eye or eye masks that you put on, leave on for about like 20 minutes, and it leaves your skin hydrated, refreshed, etc. So it's supposed to help balance dark circles and also hydrate the skin. So it says, individually packaged gold foiled eye mask to brighten, hydrate, and reduce the appearance of dark circles. I only used one of them so far. My under eye area did feel pretty hydrated, so I like that. I do typically use the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair under eye masks. I do work for Lauder, and I also like the Estee Lauder Stress Relief eye mask. So excited to try this one out a little bit more and see how well it hydrates, or helps with my dark circles. Not disappointed, because you do get 3 of those in your box. Next, I got the Laura Lee Party Animal palette. Now, I believe everyone gets this in their box, and it is 6 eyeshadows, so it's a mini palette. I know she released quite a few of these as part of like her cosmetics line, and this one you get 6 really bright, bold eyeshadows. And while I like the concept of it, I still feel like bright eyeshadow palettes still need a solid transition color or something to anchor the palettes, because otherwise it's just a smattering of Otherwise, it's just a smattering of eyeshadow colors that you kind of have to figure out how to make work. So this is definitely going to be more of like a companion palette. You can use this orange one as a transition shade depending on your skin tone. That's what I did on my eyes today, and blended with the purple, it looks really, really beautiful. This pink was very disappointing. It's got these fine like micro shimmers in there, but the color payoff itself wasn't as pigmented, and I had to really build it up in order to see color, or in order to see pigment, and it was a little bit on the dry side. So it got a little bit patchy. The purple also was slightly patchy, not as dry as the pink one, but it did apply a little bit. There was an area where I had kind of like skipping, and just from swatching the blue and this light blue Damage Control and Karaoke, I didn't have any patchiness just from swatching, but I haven't played with them with a brush on my eyes yet. So it's like hit or miss. I don't think I would really spend money on this, if we're being honest, simply because I would still need to get another palette just to make this one work for my purposes. I'm not a makeup artist, I'm just a girl who likes makeup, so this I just wouldn't buy on its own. And because the 2 of the 3 colors that I had used on my eyes were pretty patchy, doesn't bode well for the rest of the shades in the palette. Next, I got these House of Lashes Bombshell Lashes. Now, some people in their boxes would have gotten a Becca primer, and I was really hoping that I was one of those that got the Becca primer, but instead I got this one. I believe this retails for like $9 for House of Lashes, and these types of lashes from them are not my favorite. House of Lashes, some of them I feel are very stiff and very synthetic feeling, so I tend to use more of like the velour lashes. That's what I'm wearing today. I love velour lashes. I love the Lily lashes, especially Mykonos. Mykonos has my heart. This one, I just felt it was a little cheap. It just feels very stiff, very synthetic. I don't like the way this style of lashes from House of Lashes sits on my eyelids, so I'll probably give this to a friend or donate it or what have you. Next, I got this Smashbox lipstick. I don't think this is a full size. I'm not sure. It could very well be. If it is, I'd be surprised at how tiny the Smashbox lipsticks are. So cute. Now the color, I am wearing it today with a brown lip liner underneath it because it was a touch too bright for me, but I like it with a brown lip liner, so I'm not terribly disappointed in it. I know this on some people. I was looking at some of the reviews for this month. Some people were disappointed at the color that they got. I don't mind this. I think with a liner it works perfectly, but it's not like something that I was like, yes. Next, I got the Ades, I hope that's how you pronounce it, cuticle oil. I don't really do much with cuticle oils. I like them here and there, but my nails are either bare or I go get them done. So a cuticle oil, great. It's probably just going to sit in my collection, to be quite honest, so could have done without it in this box. And then the last item was this chocolate gel eyeliner from Bang Beauty, which I'm not too familiar with, but this one is just a chocolate gel brown eyeliner. Pretty. I don't typically use gel eyeliners, and if I do, I tend to use a black one, but you know, I'll probably use this more of as an eyeshadow base, but again, it's not like, hallelujah, I got this. The past few months have been really amazing in terms of Boxycharm. This one just kind of fell flat for me. I was really hoping that I got the Becca primer, or one of the Becca primers, just to make it a little bit worthwhile. And I feel like the swapping of the lash didn't really balance it out for those of us who got the lash and not the primer. So all in all, the Laura Lee palette, I do want to play with it a little bit more. I was disappointed with the pink, a little bit more with the purple, which is called Hungover. And I will say the kickback is so real. I had gotten it all over the palette. I had to clean the palette before I showed this on video, on camera. And then it got all over my eyelids and like all over my face, which was not fun to clean up. The purple and the pink. The pink, for a moment, I just couldn't get off of my skin. Getting it. The lipstick, cool. The color isn't bad. I did mix it with a lip liner. I don't mind it. Good, not great. The lashes, I already went off about how I don't like them. The chocolate gel liner doesn't really make a difference in my collection. I don't use it. I will probably give that to my mom or just use it as a base. And then I got a cuticle oil, which is kind of like a cuticle oil. I feel like I got a cuticle oil also either last month or the month before, so this is like the second time that I'm getting one from Boxycharm. A little disappointed since they've been doing some really great boxes over the past few months, but you know, you can't always get what you want. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this Boxycharm unboxing and review. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos weekly, and again, leave a comment below if you prefer Boxycharm unboxings on YouTube, or if I should just stick to doing them like in my Instagram stories. Thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!